Hi there, Hathorians. Today I want to show you something we've been working on for the launch of Nano Contracts, which is the Hathor Playground. It's an AI assistant web-based IDE. So it's the easiest way for anyone to get started testing, exploring with blueprints with Nano Contracts. What's interesting about this, if you seen the start of the video, it's actually loading some stuff on your browser. It basically runs the Nano Contracts code directly in your browser, so it's very fast. And again, best way to get started with Nano Contracts. So when you start, you have all the elements that you expect from an IDE that all the builders are used to. So you have the code screen here, the code editor. You have a tab here with files. You can collapse it. We'll talk about this one later. But yeah, let's start with simple counter. You have two examples here. Simple counter that basically initializes the counter. You can increment it, so you can get the current count and reset it. And you can also have the swap demo, which is a bit more advanced, but also a great basic blueprint to get started. We'll talk about this in another video. We also have a test folder, also explaining in a different video, but let's start with the simple counter. So as I said, initialize, you can increment by any amount, and then get the count and reset it to 0. So let's see what we can do with it. So we're gonna just run here on this tab. First, we execute the initialize. So it's initialize the blueprint. You see that it creates the blueprint and also creates the contract. Now that it's initialized, we can actually get the count. It should be 0 because it's started with 0, right? And yeah, result is 0. We can increment it. Let me increment this to 3 by 3 units. So you see that the increment, it doesn't return anything, so no return value, but it was executed successfully. Now, if I get the count, it should be 3. Yeah, that's it. I can increment it by, let's say, 2, so it should be 5 in total. Get the count, 5, and finally I can reset it. Yeah, no return value as well, but it was executed. And if I get the count, it's 0 because it's been reset. So yeah, that's it, a very basic intro to the Hathor Playground and how to execute Nano Contracts blueprints directly on your browser.